1,775 horsepower. A naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16, three 335 horsepower electric motors, a 0 to 60 time of less than 2 seconds, a 0 to 100 time of less than 5 seconds. This is the 2027 Bugatti Tourbillon, and it's a plug-in hybrid. Even though everyone else seems to be sunsetting internal combustion engines, Bugatti clearly has other ideas. The Chiron will be a tough act to follow, but its successor will be a beast all on its own. In front, the Tourbillon has two 335 horsepower motors, and behind the engine and transmission is the third 335 horsepower motor. Running down the middle of the car, like a spine, is a T-shaped 24.9 kilowatt-hour battery pack. But that engine, it is a Bugatti-engineered 90-degree cross-plane unit with a near 9,000 RPM redline. Connected to a new 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, power output there comes to a claimed 986 horsepower. It is preposterous. And despite CEO Mate Rimac saying the Tourbillon is intended to be a driver's car more than some top-speed chaser, the new Bugatti can currently achieve 276 miles an hour. NBD. Of course, looking at the Tourbillon, still looks like a Bugatti. There's the familiar horseshoe grille, the C-shape along the flanks, and the two-tone color scheme. However, the Tourbillon's roof and cowl are 1.29 and 1.77 inches lower than the Chiron's, while still keeping the same overall footprint and passenger volume inside. The car's designers called the profile Peregrine Falcon-like because of the way the roofline and giant diffuser work to make an aerodynamically neutral wing when moving at top speed. Looking inside, the word timeless comes to mind when describing the cabin. Screens are kept at a minimum, and the fixed hub steering wheel rotates around the hidden collar. The driver's cluster is comprised of 3 mechanical gauges built by a Swiss company that also manufactures high-end watches. Totally fitting, considering the Tourbillon's name. For now, Bugatti is planning just 250 cars, with production and deliveries to hopefully start in 2026. As for how much, oh, you know, just a cool $4.3 million to start.